Hello my babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm showing you guys how I did a DIY vanity all by myself for under $75. This is very comparable to the vanities that people make and buy from Ikea for like a fraction of the price, and I'm so proud of it. It turned out so good and it was so easy. I did it all by myself. I will have all of the materials and everything that I use down in the links below so you guys can check it out. It's only a few materials. It's so easy and I'm so proud of it. I do have it all decorated and all of the drawers filled now, so I'll do like a brief overview of that as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was so much fun making. I'm so proud of how it turned out. It turned out better than I expected it to. I love you guys so much. I hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs it up, and if you aren't subscribed already, please do and join our YouTube fam. We would love to have you, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you never miss an upload. And if you'd like to follow me, all my socials are down below. All right, I love you guys. Let's get into this video. Okay, so I just want to show you guys on the website, if you go to michaels.com and you search for storage furniture, you should be able to pull up this 5-drawer letterpress cube. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at that. Originally $89.90 and on sale for $35.99. That is insane. So this is the exact one that I have. I bought 2 of them. Michaels always has really good coupons, so make sure you go onto their website, which is michaels.com. Search under their available coupons. You may have to put your zip code in, and it'll bring up all the available coupons for your local stores. And majority of the time, on a regular basis, they have this 40% off coupon off of any regular price item, which is huge. You can use this on anything, and it's gonna save you so much money. So I had someone go with me so I could use a 40% off coupon for each transaction. So I got 40% off of each one of my drawers. So if you have like a friend or a family member, a boyfriend, a husband, have them use a separate transaction so you guys can each get 40% off of your drawers. So screenshot this coupon and take it to any store. I'll try to have this linked down below as well. So here are the 2 that I have. I have 1 and 2. I'm gonna put these things together. I still cannot believe how cheap I got these with the sale price and with the coupon that I showed. Both of these came out to about $55. Like, what? Insane. And I'll show you guys what I use as a tabletop. But I'm so excited. Let's go and get this together. I think Coco likes it in here, huh? 1 down, 1 halfway to go. Alright you guys, so here they are completely done. I do have the wheels on there just to make it a little higher. Here's the other one, and that's a bunch of stuff that I need to put into the drawers. So I'm going to clear that off, and then I'm going to put the tabletop on it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it on this back wall and just like add a mirror and a light, or if I want to put it on this wall that has the window. I don't know yet. I'm going to play around with it. We'll see, but let me get this all set up and I will show you guys the completed look. I wanted to mention that the tabletop that I have is actually a closet shelf from Lowe's that I had cut. So you can tell on the side I actually had them cut it for me, and I made mine 5 foot long. This was the other part that they had cut for me, so if anyone's interested, this is what it is. You can screenshot it and take it to your Lowe's or Home Depot, and that is the measurements right there that I have for these drawers. And by the way, this was super affordable. It cost me about $20 and it was free to have cut. Okay, so here is a little overview from the vanity all the way up to the mirror, which I also hung up that mirror by myself, and it is from Kirkland's. I have 2 of them in my house and I love them. They always have really good sales. So starting with the mirror from Kirkland's, and then I will go over where all of my other decor on top of the vanity is from, as well as the seat right now. So this was, I believe, from Pier 1 Imports. It's cracked, I'm so sad, but I made it work. This is from TJ Maxx, along with this, which is also from TJ Maxx. This is from Myers, I believe. And how cute is this? Like, I don't think you can really tell, but it's holographic and it's like a pearl color, and it's actually like a little scent holder. How cute is that? Lilac bloom. So it smells really good and it's so pretty, and I love that it says love. This Impressions light up mirror was such a good find, also from TJ Maxx. Impressions, and I got it for like 20 bucks, such a steal. This here is a really heavy marble container, which I picked up from Marshall's. This is also from TJ Maxx, And this here was a little gift from my aunt. I thought it was so cute and it just matches perfectly, so I just keep it right on there. And then this was also from TJ Maxx, along with this little stand, which is full with a bunch of crap right now. And also this little fake plant, both from TJ Maxx. And then this little seat that I always get questions and comments on whenever someone comes over is from HomeGoods. And I love like the natural wood touch and the little sequins and the frills. I think it's just so cute. So it's from HomeGoods. TJ Maxx, HomeGoods, Ross, those are all like my favorite stores ever. Okay, so going through the drawers, this first one is like my everyday, day-to-day makeup. A lot of it is in my actual makeup bag right now, but the home is right here. In this second drawer, I have all of my primers and setting sprays, CC creams, tinted moisturizers. And then this one is all of my bronzers and highlighters and blushes. And then this one just has extra product in here and a couple extra storage containers. And then this one is all extra storage containers that I just haven't used. On the other side here, this is all of my eye palettes and eyeshadows, probably my favorite drawer. And then this one's probably my second favorite drawer because it's all of my lippies and lipsticks, lip liners, lip balms, and it's just so pretty and colorful. And this one is all of my extra brushes, eye brushes, face brushes, cases. And then I don't believe there's anything in this one. Yeah, there's nothing in that one either. Right, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you got some kind of inspiration from this. If you decide to make this, then let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I would love to see them. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to hit that notification button, and I will see you in a few days with my next video. Love you. Bye.